For over 2 decades, you've trusted Access for your overhead doors. Now, we're helping you make the most of unused headroom, at home and in your business. Introducing Access Overhead Storage Systems. From platform lifts for exposed spaces to attic lifts that disappear seamlessly into your ceiling, these solutions turn wasted space into smart storage. We also offer universal lifts, perfect for sports gear, tools, or even vehicle hardtops and other components. Supporting up to 600 pounds, these systems make storing holiday decorations and more simple and stress-free. Just imagine, next holiday season with a tap on your phone. Your decorations lowered to the ground in seconds. No storage trips, no heavy lifting. And when you're done, place them back on the lift and press the button. With decades of expertise in overhead doors and automation, Access is ready to transform your space with solutions that work as hard as you do. Access, your source for overhead solutions.